Hello there and welcome to my channel. So I'm here with another Telegram tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can change the notification sound on your Telegram for your messages, private chats, for your groups, for stories and everything. I'm going to show you guys how to do that, and even how to upload a song for your notification sounds. So it's very simple. Let's start doing this. Let's waste no time. So to do this, let's move to our settings. So our settings, we need to tap on here. We move here and then we tap on the settings here. So good. So here we move to notifications and sound. So there's the side. It looks very simple, but then you need to be a bit savvy to do this. So for your calls, you can tap on that. That's ringtone, and you see this default one. This is my ringtone on my mobile phone. Yeah, Movado Messiah. So you can choose any of them. This is a Chinese phone. So yeah, you can add a ringtone from your mobile phone. You get it? So you just tap on that to go and upload the music from your mobile phone if you have some. So this is for private chat. So let's tap on this. So you tap on the private chat, and now let's try to change something on here. So for new messages in private chat, you can turn it on and off. So when you turn it on, when someone sends you a message, you're going to get a notification sound. And here we can change our sound just like we did for the calls. So you can see it's on default, and these are Chinese ones. You can choose to upload it by tapping on the upload sound. It's going to take you to a file manager, just like the other one. You get it from internal, from Telegram. Yeah, so that's it on how you can change your notification sound on Telegram for your private chat. I'm done with your calls. Let's move to our groups. You can see there's a group. So you just need to tap on that and you're good to go. You tap on that and you change it. You tap on that and you're good to go. You get it? So these are our sounds. Let me change it to default. Change it to default, and then you come here. You can customize all that for your stories too. If someone sets a story, you can set it like that, and you're going to get a notification. And this is for channels as well, and this is for reactions as well. So that's it on how you can change your notification sounds on your Telegram. If you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. Peace.